Tata is back with a brand new health insurance plan, and they're promising something that honestly sounds too good to ignore. Unlimited refill of your insurance covered during your policy year, daily cash benefits if you pick a shared hospital room, and even a maternity coverage that kicks in faster if you want it. Yes, all of that packed inside one plan, and that's called Medicare Select. Hey everyone, I'm Shashank from Ditto Insurance, where we help you understand insurance the easy way and help you buy it, spam-free and pressure-free. If you want a personal free call with our advisors to help you pick the right policy, book it through the link in the description. Now, before we jump into the policy features, a quick look at Tata AIG as an insurer. Their claim settlement ratio is a rock solid 96%. Their ICR, that is incurred claim ratio, is at 81%, which shows a healthy balance between claims paid and premiums collected. They also have only 11 complaints per 10,000 claims filed, which is pretty low, and a massive network of 11,000 hospitals across India. That's a very reassuring background when you're putting your health in someone's hands. Coming to the base policy features of Tata Medicare Select, you get sum insured starting from 5 lakh rupees all the way up to 3 crores. Pretty standard waiting periods here. Nothing special because initial 30 days waiting period, 3 years pre-existing diseases waiting period, 2 years specific disease waiting period. But hey, there are no add-ons offered to reduce PD waiting period unlike other insurers. It covers inpatient hospitalization fully up to sum insured. Pre-hospitalization expenses are covered for 90 days before your admission, and post-hospitalization expenses are covered for 90 days after discharge. Again, up to sum insured. All daycare procedures are included too without any hidden sublimits, and if you need an organ transplant, the donor's hospitalization expenses are also covered up to sum insured. Home treatments or domiciliary care are also covered too, provided the treatment goes on for more than 3 days. Irish treatments covered. Ambulance charges covered. The plan's biggest flex though is the Restore Infinity Plus feature, that is unlimited restoration of your sum insured within the same policy year. So every time you use up your coverage, the full amount gets restored again and again and again, no limits. Now, there is a room rent limit though, that is up to single private room. But wait, if you opt for a twin sharing or multi-sharing hospital room instead of a single private room, which is the default entitlement, Tata AIG will give you daily cash payouts. That is rupees 1200 per day for twin sharing and 1500 rupees per day for multi-sharing, over and above your hospital bill. You will also get rewarded for staying healthy. With every claim-free year, you can either opt for a 50% bump in your base sum insured, that is up to a maximum of 100%, or get a 1% discount on your renewal premiums. Now, if you're already thinking, this sounds good, but is it the best for me? Well, don't sit on the fence. Book a free call with Ditto's advisors. Our advice is unbiased, spam-free, and totally free. Links in the description. Now, let's move to the optional covers that Medicare Select offers, that is optional add-ons. First up, the consumables benefit. This covers things like gloves, syringes, and other minor medical supplies during hospitalization, which are usually not covered in base health insurance plans. And it's covered up to your full sum insured here. Then there's maternity care. It covers maternity-related expenses up to 10% of your sum insured, capped at 1 lakh rupees per policy year. This is over and above your regular base cover, by the way. Now, by default, there's a 2-year waiting period for maternity benefits, but you can opt for the reduction of maternity waiting period add-on, and this reduces it to just 1 year if you're planning to have kids soon. There's also Infinite Advantage, which is crazy powerful. For one claim in your lifetime, Tata AIG will pay your hospital bill without applying any sum insured limit. Similar add-on is also offered by HDFC Ergo, ICICI Lombard as well. For people opting for single premium multi-year policies, the early access option lets you use your total sum insured for the entire policy period at any point. Meaning, if you have a 3-year policy and need a major surgery in 1 year, you can utilize the coverage meant for all the 3 years immediately. Room flexibility is offered under Room Category Select, allowing you to pick any room category you want. Twin sharing, deluxe, suite, whichever suits you. Finally, for those looking to save on premiums, there's an aggregate deductible option as well. You can choose deductibles ranging from 10,000 rupees to 1 lakh. The higher the deductible, the lower the premiums. The plan begins to cover you only once the deductible threshold is covered. We did a video on deductibles and copay, and if you want to check that out, I'll link it below. Before I wrap up, quick reminder. Choosing the right optional covers is just as important as picking the right base plan. So if you want help understanding which ones you would actually need, book a free call with Ditto. We'll help you figure it out without any spam, without any sales pressure. Link is in the description. Now, to conclude, Tata AIG's Medicare Select is a good health insurance product if you want flexibility, huge protection, and customization. It's very ideal for young families, first-time buyers looking for serious coverage, and even individuals who want to future-proof themselves with maternity and infinite restoration benefit. But like all super plans out there, it's not a one-size-fits-all. You need to tailor it to your lifestyle and risk appetite. That's where Ditto can help. Thanks for watching, folks, and until next time, stay insured, stay stress-free, and happy insurance hunting.